Have you ever wondered how hackers actually attack computers, websites, or online accounts? Every day, millions of cyber attacks happen around the world. But most hacking attacks are not like movies. Hackers usually exploit weaknesses in systems, passwords, or human mistakes. Today, we'll understand how hackers attack in the simplest way possible. What is hacking? Hacking means gaining unauthorized access to a computer system or network. Hackers try to steal information, damage systems, spy on users, control devices, make money. Some hackers are criminals, while others are ethical hackers who help improve security. Phishing attack. One of the most common attacks is phishing. In a phishing attack, hackers create fake emails, websites, login pages, messages, to trick people into giving passwords or personal information. For example, a fake banking website may look real, but when you enter your password, the hacker steals it. Malware attack. Hackers also use malware. Malware means malicious software. Examples include viruses, trojans, spyware, ransomware. Malware can damage files, spy on users, steal passwords, slow computers. Hackers often spread malware through fake downloads, email attachments, pirated software. Password attacks. Weak passwords are a major security problem. Hackers use methods like brute force attacks, password guessing, password leaks, to break into accounts. Simple passwords are much easier to crack. That is why strong passwords and two-factor authentication are important. DDoS attack. A DDoS attack stands for distributed denial of service. In this attack, hackers send massive amounts of traffic to a website or server. The server becomes overloaded and may crash. DDoS attacks can temporarily shut down websites, online games, streaming services. Social engineering. Sometimes hackers attack humans instead of computers. This is called social engineering. Hackers manipulate people into sharing passwords, opening dangerous files, giving private information. Many cyber attacks succeed because of human mistakes. Wi-Fi hacking. Hackers may also target weak Wi-Fi networks. If a Wi-Fi password is weak or outdated, attackers may gain access to the network. Public Wi-Fi can also be risky because hackers may try to intercept data, exploiting software vulnerabilities. Software sometimes contains security flaws called vulnerabilities. Hackers search for these weaknesses to gain access to systems. That is why software updates are very important. Updates often fix security problems. How hackers stay anonymous. Hackers often try to hide their identity using VPNs, proxy servers, fake accounts, encrypted communication. This makes tracking attackers more difficult. How to stay safe. You can reduce cyber risks by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, avoiding suspicious links, updating software regularly, avoiding pirated software, using antivirus protection. Cybersecurity starts with safe online behavior. Ethical hackers. Not all hackers are criminals. Ethical hackers help companies find security weaknesses before criminals do. They improve cybersecurity and help protect systems. The future of cybersecurity. Cyber attacks are becoming more advanced every year. As technology grows, cybersecurity becomes more important. Artificial intelligence may also play a major role in future cybersecurity systems. Now you understand how hackers attack and how cybersecurity works. If you want more simple tech videos like this, subscribe to Byte and tell me in the comments, what cyber attack worries you the most?